This is RD Sharma Solution, class 12, chapter 1, relation, exercises 1.1. So, I won't be able to show the question because that will be a copyright issue. So, I request you to have book in front of you so that we can discuss the questions as they come. Exercise is 1.1, the question number 1. Let A be the set of all human beings in a town at a particular time. So relation will always be on a set and relation will have certain condition. And this will come out from A cross A. That is the Cartesian product of A cross A. Okay. Now we have Ram, Sham, say Hassan, like this. I'm just naming them so we understand better. So this is the people, or you can say human beings in a town at a particular time. For example, on 12th January, 12 a.m., these many people are there in the town. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Reflexive means a single person is related to itself, that is, by the relation. Symmetric means if Ram is related to Sham with the relation condition, the Sham is also related with Ram with the same relation condition. And when we talk about transitive means if Ram is related to Sham with certain condition of relation and Sham is related to Hassan, then Ram is related to Hassan. This is the transitivity. If Ram Sham is in town, Sham Hassan is in town, Ram and Hassan will be in the town. So the first part here, there are four parts. The first part, the relation is given like this: x comma y. This is the ordered pair, and this ordered pair should be such that x and y work at the same place. Means if you have x comma y, x is first person, y is second person, they both work at same place. This is the condition of the relation. So just assume that this x and y are two people, two individuals. So x and y work at same place. Okay. Now let us take one by one. Say I'm talking about Sham. Now Sham and Sham work at same place. If I say x comma x, Sham comma Sham, and this is correct because Sham is working at the same place as Sham, both Sham, because if one Sham is working, there is only one Sham at this place, so other will also be the same Sham. So this is, with respect to this relation, this is reflexive. Okay. If you ask anybody else who was here, Sham. If you ask me, I'll say Sham. So this is related. Now coming to symmetric. Now assume that Ram and Sham, these two, say x and y we are talking about, I'm giving you an example, real example. Now Ram and Sham belongs to this relation. That is, Ram and Sham are working at the same place. So if Ram and Sham are working, Sham and Ram will also be working because they both are same people. If you say Ram first, Sham second, or Sham first, Ram second, but they both are working at the same place, so it is symmetric. Coming to the transitivity. Now the same place, I'm talking about a place they are working at the same place. So Ram and Sham are working at, say, some place. And these two are true, then we have to talk about third one. So we are saying that Ram and Sham is working at the same place, and Sham and Hassan is also working at that place. Ram and Sham, say some mill they are working, and Sham and Hassan are also working in that mill. So it is clear that Ram and Hassan is also working in that particular mill. So x and y belongs to R, y and z belongs to R, this relation. So x and z is also belonging to R. So this is an example. You have to write the way it is written in or printed in the left. You have to, this all is, I'm just giving you an example to understand, okay? So I will be, the answers will be in front of you. I'm just going to give you the logic, how to understand the question and go about it if this kind of question comes in your exam. Or now the second one, with this second part of the first question. So relation you need to understand very well. Otherwise, the relation is x comma y. Relation will always be an ordered pair and they will always be related by certain condition. X and y live in the same locality. I'll just take the short form, right? Because writing will take a lot of time. So now X and Y live in the same locality. Say the locality name is Awas Vikas Colony, or say Vasant Vihar. So Ram and Sham Hassan, again we are taking the same example to make you understand better. So X and Y are in the same locality. So if I am saying that Ram is living in this locality and somebody else come and he says Ram also stayed in the locality and there is only one person Ram in the locality. Let us take example of Hassan also. Hassan is related to itself because Hassan lives in the locality and the locality has Hassan. Same thing. So this is a reflexive. Symmetric is Ram and Sham is living in the locality. So when Ram Sham is locality, they are living. So Sham and Ram are also living in the locality because there is only one Ram, there is only one Sham. Now transitivity. See, this is the locality. Ram and Sham is living. This is what we have made it true. This is belonging to that relationship. And Sham and Hassan is also living in this locality. This is what we are saying. So is it true that Ram and Hassan is also staying in the same locality? Yes. There is only one Ram, there is only one Sham, there is only one Hassan. So if Ram and Sham is there, Sham and Hassan is there, Ram and Hassan is also there. If XY belongs to R and YZ belongs to R, that means XZ belongs to R. They both are living in the same society or same locality. So this is transitive also. Now the third part of the first question. Okay, this is somewhat tricky, okay? Because it is I'll just tell you that why it is not what we think. So X is a wife of Y. See, in the first view, we will be able to understand that this is neither of all these three relations. But let us take example of Ram, Sham and Hassan. Now take example of a woman also, Pooja, say. So take the example of Ram. So Ram is a wife of Ram. Is it possible? Can a man be a wife of himself? No. Take example of Hassan. Can Hassan be his wife? No. So it is not reflexive. Symmetric. Now let us take example of say X comma Y. If X is wife of Y, then Y is a wife of X. Is it possible? Is it possible? If XY is true, X should also be true. Say, let us take Sham and now take the example of Pooja. Let us take one more person in this set. Let us assume that she is the wife of Sham. So Sham Pooja. Now Sham, so this X is Pooja and Y is Sham. So Pooja is wife of Sham. So now is it true that Sham is, if Pooja is wife of Sham, Sham is also wife of Pooja? No, Sham is the husband of Pooja. So if first is true, second cannot be true. One is male, one is female. So one can be wife of another, the other person can only be husband of other. Okay. Now third part. As I told you, it is not symmetric, it is not reflexive. Let us come to the third one. It is quite evident that it is not a transitive relation. But I'll prove it that it is a transitive relation. I will prove it that it is a transitive. Okay. How it is transitive? See. In transitive, we assume and we say that if XY belongs to R and YZ belongs to R, XZ also belongs to R. This is transitive relation. The first we assume to be true and third if we get, then we say it is transitive. But you see here, if I take X, Y, Z, Y, Z. Now X and Y. X is Pooja, Y is say Sham. So Pooja is wife of Sham. We assume this. That is XY belongs to R. Okay. Now coming to the second one. YZ belongs to R. This is what we are saying. It is true. But this cannot be true. Why? Because Sham cannot be a wife of Ram. Pooja can be wife of Sham. But Sham cannot be wife of Ram. So YZ is not belonging to R. XY, because we have to say XY belong to R, YZ belong to R. This has to be true. Then only XZ belongs to R. So the second condition fails it can never be true. So when the second condition, either of these, when it fails, whether the third condition, the transitive condition fails or not, because the second condition by itself is fail. It by itself failed. So if comma x comma z, is it true or not? See, Pooja and Ram. Pooja is not the wife of Ram. Pooja is the wife of Sham. So Pooja is the wife of Ram is also incorrect. What I am saying is, these two conditions has to be true. Then if third condition holds, then we say that it is transitive. But the first condition is true, second condition cannot be true in this particular relation. So the second is fail, so third is also fail. So that is how it is a transitive relation. Now this is question number 2. Three relations R1, R2 and R3 are defined on a set A, which is, no, this fourth one is remaining. So let me take fourth first. R is xy, x is the father of y. Now, say reflexive. Can anybody father of himself? Can Satish be the father of Satish? No. Symmetric. If, let us take three of them. Satish, Ramesh. Now Satish is the father of Ramesh. So is Ramesh also father of Satish? No. No. So it is not symmetric also. One is father, so one has to be son. Now coming to the third one, x, y, z. Now let us take 3. Now x is a y. X is a father of y. X is a father of y. Now this is holding. This is holding. Now y, z is also holding. So now the y is father of z. So there is a son whose father, which is z. Y is father and x is the father of y. So he is grandfather. So when this condition is there, is x comma z also belongs to that relation? That is, if x is the father of z, no, x is the grandfather of z. So xz is not coming to x is not the father of y, x is the grandfather of y. Now this is question number 2. Okay. There are three relations R1, R2 and R3 are defined on set A, which is A, comma B, comma C. These are like this. Now see here. So this is a set. Every relation is on a set and relation will have certain condition. So first relation is A, comma B, A, comma C. These are all ordered pairs. B, comma B, B, comma C, C, comma A, C, comma B, and C, comma C. Okay. So B, B, C, C, A, C, B, C, C. Okay. Now, there are 4 parts here again, because we have to tell whether this R1 is equivalence or not. That is, whether it is reflexive, symmetric, this one, and R1. So AA is there, A is related to A, BB is there, CC is there. So it is reflexive. Okay, every element is related to itself. Now symmetric. Now if AB is there, BA should be there. So let us see AB is there or not. If AB is belonging to that relation, BA should also belong to that relation. So see here, AB, yes. And AB is there, BA is there or not? B is there or not? See, BA, no. BA is not there. BA is not there. See, AC is there, CA is there. And CB is there, BC is there. But if you see here, AB is there, BA is not there. I couldn't find BA. No. So that means, if you see the question of R.D. Sharma, it is saying that it is not symmetric. So it is not symmetric. Please, I am cancelling it. Please remember, it is not symmetric. Because AB is there, BA is not. I couldn't find BA. Now transitive. See, A, comma A are transitive. Because if you assume A to be X and the second X to be Y. So if XY is there, YX is there or not? because x we have assumed y as a. So this is also a comma a. So if a is there, it is reflexive. It is transitive also. So a b b c c b c as transitive. Now the condition of transitivity is there, which is saying a comma b belongs to R and b c belongs to R. If these two are true, a c should be there. Then it will be transitive. So is it AC? Yes. AB is there, BC is there, AC is also there. So it is transitive also. This is not symmetric, okay? Remember it. Now coming to the R2. There are four relations. R2 is A comma A. A comma A. There is only one ordered pair, A comma A. Now this is quite clear, which we discussed just now. It is reflexive, it is symmetric, and it is transitive also. It is symmetric, it is reflexive, it is transitive. The logic is same as we just gave in the last question. How it is? Because this AA can be taken as XY, can be taken as YZ, can be taken as XZ. Okay, so let us start with the reflexive. Okay, reflexive means every element should be related to A because the set is ABC. So A is related to A comma A is in this set. This A comma is the ordered pair. So A is related to A is there. It is there in the set. This is a set. So A is ABC and A is related to A. So it is, if A is there, then it is reflexive. Now so it is reflexive. So it is reflexive, right? Now symmetric, is it symmetric? A comma A, assume it to be X, other one to be Y. We don't know what is there, just assume X and Y. So whether YX is there, place Y as A and X is also. So A is there, A also there, so A is there. XY is there, X is there. Now coming to the transitive, assume it to be XYZ. So XY is there, Z is there, then XZ should be there. So now AA, assume it to be XY. So since y is already we have assumed to be A, so let us A, take it as Z, assume it to be A. So we are maintaining it to be true. So whether XZ is true or not, because X we have taken as A, Z also assumed as A, so A is also already there, so transitive also. So it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive at the same time. Now coming to R3. R3 is saying B comma C. So it's quite clear. It is neither of them. Okay. Why? It is neither of them. Why it is not neither of them? Okay. See. So A comma A is related to A. Not there. BC is there, so CB should be there. It is not there, not symmetric. Since there are only two elements, for transitive you need three. So by default we assume it to be transitive. See, when there is no data given, we assume it to be transitive. So this is transitive. Now R4. R4 is saying, R4 is, these are all coming from the set A, B, C. This is the only set we have. Now R4 is AB, BC and CA. AB, BC, CA. Now see, first whether AA is there, BB is there, CC is there. Is it there? AA, BB, CC, are you able to find it in this relation? No, so it is not reflexive. If AB is there, now coming to symmetric. If AB is there, BA is there? No. If BC is there, CB is there? No. If CA is there, AC is there? No. So it is not symmetric. XY is there, YX should be there. Now coming to transitive, AB is there and BC is there. So XY, AB is there, so this is XY, and BC, YZ is there. So AC is there or not? XZ. No, it is not there, only CA is there. So it is not transitive also. Okay, this is a big exercise, so we'll be taking the other one in the next discussion. Okay. So anything you don't understand, just comment. So we'll be able to understand it more. So stay tuned for this exercise. So we'll be taking all of these.